water. It's like, look at the leaves, especially this one. So pepper. And then I'm going to get what else? Let's check if there are anything here that is ready. I think this is good. And then calamansi. I need mint and I need oregano. So let's get oregano. Oreganos are here. I'm going to harvest these onions. Yes. And this. Harvest the calamansi. Mint. Let's get mint here. So these are the mint. Husband went to the Filipino market to get pompano, so I am going to cook the side dish while waiting for him. I am going to make jackfruit. I don't know if we have enough jackfruit. I hope we do. So the jackfruit with yes, we do. This one, jackfruit in coconut milk. So this jackfruit, and then this one. This is I like this brand of coconut milk, but this is more of like for dessert, like sweet. We only have this 365. It's not really that like, it's not as good as this one, the Choco. But here's what we have. So this is what I am going to use. I am preparing lunch. I have some onions over there, so that's what I am going to use. I harvested some onions here, and then it's hot today, so I'm going to use one of these like onions. Maybe this one. Oh, it still has a. Oh, maybe this one. I think this is really nice on this one is really nice on like a salad. So since it's just going to be sauteed, so I'll just use this one. Put this here. Oh, look at the geraniums. I'll just put this here for now, so it's not like really hot. Our homegrown onion. This one. Let's remove the top portion. It has a little bit of pink in it. We have red onions too. See, it has like a pink. It seems like it's a cross between a yellow onion and a pink onion, or like a red onion. The taste is like very mild. It's nice to use them on like salad because they are homegrown, meaning super clean. You know, the soil that they are planted into. Alright, let's try. Yeah, the flavor is very mild. And then I'm adding the jackfruit.
Camera recording. Daddy needs help. Hi, Mommy. I have a surprise for you.
What's yours?
Bread.
Bread! Oh! Oh, looks yummy. This is from this place. To the Jew. To the Jew, right? Oh, yum yum. Let's have coffee. And just milk. Let's bring this to the kitchen. So, I'm going to add the coconut milk. And then, patis. This Pangasinan patis or fish sauce. So I am going to broil the pompano. And then just add salt. I'm going to salt at the bottom. And then here. And a little bit inside. A little bit more. And then broil. What I harvested from the garden. The calamansi, and then the mint and oregano, and then pepper. Oh, the pepper I need to put on the this pepper I need to put on the, let me slice this. I just need to slice this pepper and then put on the, pick some flowers. It's hot. It's very hot. Oh, look at this pig. Beautiful. I don't want to pick this because there are like buds in the middle. So if I pick it, then I need to. Oh, this one is new. Look at this. Which one? Let's go with yellow again, and then purple. This purple, and then some of these oranges, since there are a lot of them. This orange trumpet. Let's pick the ones in here. So jackfruit in coconut milk with shrimp and pepper from the garden, or chili. Here's the pompano. I'll just garnish it with the oregano that I harvested from the garden. And then the dipping sauce. Oops. The dipping sauce, I'm using lemon. Since we have a lot of lemons, I have to use them. So one for me and one for the husband. And then soy sauce. I like marcapina. Here's our lunch. The pompano, broiled pompano, and then the jackfruit in coconut milk, ginatang langka, and then calamansi juice. The beautiful flowers.
Here we have shrimp, then fish, then our calamansi juice.
How's the calamansi, Josh? Langka is super yummy.
Sarap ng langka. That I forgot that we have pompano.
Hi Dan, what are you getting?
I'm getting Maribit special kare-kare. I already got the Filipino spaghetti And chicken inasal.
Okay. The yummiest kare-kare. And the special kare-kare.
Maliit? Wala maliit.